made a video where I compete against AI on an image generation contest and you all loved it, even asking for a rematch. I will leave the link to the video below in case you haven't seen it. What I learned from that video is never to go against AI. Rather, in this video I will be teaming up with AI to go against Qrawn. Qrawn is a professional artist and music producer, and we will see if I will be able to make a better instrumental or beat than him with the knowledge I got from his AI Career Essential, a course which I took on ALX a few months ago. It's nice and it really changed my perspective about AI. I will leave the link in the description below if you're interested. Let's get started. The AI tool I'll be using is Udio. To make this face-off fair, I have asked our friend Jonah from the previous video to give us a prompt, and he gave us this. I forwarded the prompt to Qrawn. While he is working on it, I have decided to design a quick cover art for the beat. The software I am currently using is Inkscape. Inkscape is a free and open source design software which is great. I have a playlist on my channel where I do explain all that you need to know in using this software. Link below. Alright, that's done. Let's get prompting. No one understands a large language model than its fellow large language model, which is why I took the prompt first to ChatGPT to help me explain the prompt better to Udio. So I took the generated prompt and pasted it on Udio and did a few settings, and it generated this. By this time, Qrawn was already done, and he also came up with this. I sent the two audios to Jonah for him to decide which one best fits his prompt, and he picked this. I will also let you guys be the judge. Comment below which one you think is better, the one I generated with Udio or Qrawn. While you are at it, please consider liking this video and subscribing. Also, please let me know if you guys would love to see more of AI content, so I would create a playlist for it. Also, thanks to Qrawn for doing this with me. I will tag his channel in the description below. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next. Peace.